Hi everyone, my name is Kemi Kadejo. I am part of Women's Try and Chat, a project sponsored by Race Council Camry. It is Mental Health Awareness Week and the theme is anxiety. I can remember my first time experiencing that. I don't know what I'm experiencing, but I know something is not right with me, so I have to call 999. They stay with me for a while, for like 2 hours. They calm me down. They now told me what to be doing. So since then, anytime I experience that, I go on my own. I stay quiet on my own. I play gospel music. I stay away from people, because anytime I'm going through that, I become aggressive. I become anyhow with anybody, even my own children. So since then, I stayed on my own. I stay quietly for a few hours. And ever since, I don't experience that again, to be sincere. And I know I have few friends going through that as well. Thousands of people out there, they don't want to say it out. They don't want anybody to tag them, you are this, you are that. They don't want anybody to judge them. But let me be sincere with you, you need to speak out. You need to talk to somebody. There's thousands of people out there to assist you, because anxiety is actually real and is leading to mental health. And we don't want to have that. So please speak to anybody as soon as possible if you are going through any form of anxiety. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Adewale Olude, aka Barry Wales of Wales. Well, we're having a mental health week awareness, and this week we're discussing about anxiety. Everybody goes through anxiety at a point in their lives, and I must be frank with you, I've had such challenges when I moved to UK. Imagine my status and finding myself in some awkward moments here in UK. And to an extent it really affected me, but thank God to the word of affirmation and promises which I got from the word of God that's really helped me to really come out of it. And I must be frank with you, if you are having such challenges, please try to talk to someone so that it can gladden your heart, gladden your mood, and so that you can be a better person in the society. Thank you, and have a lovely week.